Oh my gosh!
Well, have you heard about the haunted hustle? Have you registered for the haunted hustle?
Yes!
Have you registered? No, you haven't. No, I know that for a fact. You have not. Well, whatever. Have you registered for this year's haunted hustle? Early bird registration is still open for the haunted hustle until October 2nd. You should sign up. High fives.
How long have you been sitting there?
A while. Have you registered for this year's haunted hustle? Holding you to it. Have you registered for the haunted hustle yet? Have you registered? You should register.
You're not living down below there.
I do. This is my home now. This year's haunted hustle supports 3 local charities.
You'll support Ellie Phillips Career Development Center, Girl Scouts of the Northwestern Great Lakes, and the Epilepsy Foundation of Western Wisconsin when you register for the 2019 Haunted Hustle 5K Run Walk. Go to group-health.com/haunted hustle to sign up. Prices go up soon. Don't let the October 2nd deadline sneak up on you.
This isn't being filmed anywhere, is it?
No.
Good. He's got a mic on. Yeah.